welcome to Toddler Crafts. My name is Summer and I run the Toddler Tuesday program here at the National Marine Aquarium, and we decided to make some craft videos for you to keep you guys occupied. Now, today we're going to be doing limpets. Now, limpets are amazing sea creatures that live on the lovely shoreline. They've got lovely pointed shells and they're quite a familiar sight around our beaches here in the UK. Now, we're going to be making a limpet hat, and here I've made a little tiny hat. There we are. So these are those little tentacles, and this is how they feel around for food. And I've made a blue rayed limpet, so you've got some lovely little dashes around here as well. Alright, now to start off, we simply just need an orange bit of card, or whatever colour you'd like really. Limpets come in lots of different shapes and sizes and colours. And I'm going to need a little bit of card for the tentacles on the top. Alright, so let's get started. So what we have to do first off is just cut a big circle out of your paper. There we are. Now we're going to have to make it a little cone shape here. So to do this, make sure you cut right up towards the middle of your paper like so. And then fold that over like that to create a little cone shape there. And then staple it. Make sure your little staples are flat on the inside, like this one here. Alright, just so it doesn't get caught in your hair, so that should go on the inside like so. And we can get our little tentacles like so. We can cut some out. What I like to do is I like to cut them in half, or I like to fold it in half, sorry, and then you kind of get the same size ones. So we go fold your card in half, cut out some little tentacles like so. So they're just like little pointed shapes. You can cut this one in half. Boop, like so. Little tentacles here. So we fold that over like that, so create some little corners, and then we can glue them underneath. Or I'm going to use a stapler here actually, because I happen to have it to hand. So we staple this one on. One. And two. There we go. We have our little limpet hat. Cool, so that is the end of our crafts. Keep an eye on this page for any new updates. We'd love to see what you guys get up to, so do post a little photo below so we can see what you're getting up to at home. And from everyone here at the National Marine Aquarium, please do stay safe, and hopefully we'll see you guys soon.